Greetings and welcome to the 50 craziest ab exercises you've ever seen. What a fun course you're going to have. What we're going to do is we're going to go through 7 sections and a total of 50 videos that you're going to be working through. It's non-sequential. You can pick and choose. In fact, we've given you workouts in this course that you can pick and choose from. Anytime you want. We have recommendations, but if you want to follow them, great. If you don't, great. But you have 50 different ab exercises you can choose from that you'll work several times a week. And my recommendation is at least 3 times a week. Not every day, 3 times a week. You can do it at home, you can do it at the gym, you can do them outside, you name it. A lot of fun you're going to have in this course. And we're also going to have specific songs that you can work out to, but the titles in itself will remind you, oh, this is a good YouTube video to work out, or a good Beatles workout, or a good Wiz Khalifa workout, you name it. And so we're going to have those recommended workouts too. A lot of fun, a lot of movement, a lot of balance, a lot of core work, and we're ramping up from the 28-day Amazing Abs workout that hopefully all of you have seen and have gone through. If you are a beginner in abs, I would recommend going to the 28-day Amazing Abs program at Udemy. And then you could graduate up to this program. This is for intermediate and advanced students. So if you have a good background in fitness and in good core work, dive into this class, enjoy the heck out of it, and let me know what questions, thoughts, suggestions you have. Welcome aboard. Thanks for taking this course.